Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will talk about four operations. When we talk about maths, four operations comes in our mind. The first one is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition means to combine something, bringing all together. Subtraction means taking out. Multiplication means when the number gets double. And division means to split something. All right. When we have these four operations in any equation and we need to solve it, we have to apply BODMAS. Now the point is, what is BODMAS? As you can see, BODMAS, BODMAS. B stands for brackets, O stands for order, that is powers, square roots, cube roots, etc., which we are gonna study in the higher grades. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So, how to solve through BODMAS? Any idea about what is BODMAS? It's a basic maths rule that you have to apply this rule whenever you have these four operations in any equation. For example, let's understand BODMAS with few examples. For example, we have one equation 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6 minus 1. These all operations are in one bracket. How to solve this through BODMAS? According to BODMAS, bracket comes first. But here, we don't have any bracket inside the equation. That means we have to solve this whole equation first. After bracket, we have division. Can you see any division sign in this equation? No. After division, we have multiplication, which shows that you need to solve this multiplication first. That is 3 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 18. When we solve this multiplication sign, you need to copy down the remaining numbers as well. Copy the numbers as it is. Here we have 2 plus 18 minus 1. Now we have addition and subtraction. Let me tell you one thing. When we have addition and subtraction sign in one equation, that means you have to start solving the equation from left to right. Because addition and subtraction sign, when you have just addition and subtraction sign, you have to start solving from left to right. You are not supposed to follow BODMAS here. So, you have addition first. Follow this. 18 plus 2 is 20. Now copy minus 1 as it is. Now you have 20 minus 1. That means the answer is 19. Now take the same question in other way. For example, you have the same equation but with two different brackets. Now here you have to solve the brackets first. According to BODMAS, you have to solve the brackets first because you have two different brackets. You have the same equation but two different brackets. So you have to solve the bracket first. You are not supposed to do the multiplication here. Solve the first bracket, that is 2 plus 3 equals to 5. multiply sign as it is, and 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Now you have to multiply these two numbers. 5 into 5 is 25. You can see the same equation with two different methods. Because what is the difference between these two equations? Because we have just one bracket here, and here in this question the equation is divided in two different brackets. So it is pretty clear that if we have bracket, we respect the bracket first. We do what is inside the bracket. So when we follow proper BODMAS, we will get the different answer. Let's understand BODMAS with some other examples. For example, we have 4 multiplied by 2 plus 8. Now according to BODMAS, we need to do the multiplication first and then addition. Now when you multiply 4 by 2, that is 8. And you have to copy the remaining numbers as it is. Now here we have 8 plus 8 is 16. Let's solve the same question without BODMAS. For example, the question is 4 multiplied by 2 plus 8, the same question. But if we don't follow the BODMAS, we add these two numbers first. 8 plus 2 is 10. And we have to multiply with 4. That is 40. Which is wrong. Why? Because we need to follow BODMAS. And according to BODMAS, the correct answer of the equation is 16, not 40. I hope the use of operation is pretty clear to you. Note, start divide and multiply from left to right side since they perform equally. Start multiplication and start addition and subtraction also from left to right since they also perform equally. Alright, let's do one more example. Here we have 2 plus 9 minus bracket 12 divided by 2. Here you need to solve the bracket first. That is 12 divided by 2 is 6. Here we have solved the bracket already. So now copy the remaining numbers as it is. 2 plus 9 minus 6. Now the bracket has been removed. We have this equation now. Now as I told you that we have only subtraction and addition in this equation. So we need to start solving from left to right. 2 plus 9 is 11 minus 6, that is 5. So the correct answer is 5. Now the point is why BODMAS is needed. When we have different operations lined up in one equation, we don't know which operation to operate first. So we will be needing BODMAS to know which operation will be operated first. As far as brackets are concerned, we have three types of brackets. The first one is known as it's a common bracket. The first one is known as bar bracket. The second one is common bracket. The third one is curly brackets. And the fourth one is square bracket. When we have to solve the brackets, we have to solve accordingly. I hope the use of BODMAS is clear to you. Let's understand BODMAS with one more example. Let's understand the brackets with this example. We have this equation with the bar bracket, the common bracket, which is also known as small bracket, and the curly bracket. So first of all, we need to solve this bar bracket. Copy the remaining numbers as it is. Here, 8 minus 5 is 3. Bar bracket has been removed. Now you have to solve this common bracket or small bracket. Copy the remaining numbers as it is. 7 plus 3 is 10. Here, 18 minus 10 is 8. That means you have to remove this curly bracket as well. Now, in the end, you have to solve these two numbers, which is equals to 23. 23 is the final answer. I hope the use of BODMAS is pretty clear to everyone. Thanks for watching. Thank you.